In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make two images the same size in Canva. If you're looking to create cohesive designs where images align neatly and maintain consistency, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, let's ensure you have Canva open with the design you're currently working on. Once your design is up on the screen, you'll want to start by selecting the two images you'd like to resize. This is quite simple to do. Just click and drag your mouse around both images to highlight them together. You'll notice that both images will now be surrounded by a blue outline. This indicates that they're selected and ready for adjustment. It's essential because it allows you to modify both images simultaneously, ensuring they will end up being the same size. Now that you have both images highlighted, it's time to shift your focus to the top of the Canva interface, where you'll find the toolbar. Here, you'll be looking for the button labeled Position. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu offering a variety of options for aligning your images. For this task, you don't need to worry about these alignment choices just yet. Instead, direct your attention to the width and height dimensions displayed nearby. This is where you'll adjust the sizes of the images. These dimensions often appear in pixels, depending on your design settings. Here's where you can get both images to match in size perfectly. Ensure that both the width and height are consistent. This might involve typing in specific numbers if you're seeking exact measurements. Conveniently, Canva provides a feature where adjusting one dimension automatically adjusts the other to maintain the image's aspect ratio. However, if you need custom dimensions beyond the original proportions, you can unlock this feature for greater flexibility. After entering your desired measurements, both images should resize equally, matching in both width and height. Congratulations, you've now successfully adjusted the sizes to be uniform across your design space. This technique proves incredibly useful when you're designing visual presentations, social media graphics, or any template that requires consistent organization. And there you have it. With just a few quick clicks, you've learned how to make two images the same size in Canva, significantly enhancing the professionalism of your designs. You've mastered a simple yet effective way to ensure your visuals are clean and cohesive. So, next time you're organizing images on a Canva project, remember these easy steps. Click and drag to select, use the position button, and adjust those dimensions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Canva tips and tricks. See you in the next video, and happy designing!